This is Niall Amari from Best RV in Trolla, California. What is behind me, it's a brand new floor plan from Sierra Fifth Wheel. This fifth wheel, they did it right because they give you a huge closet in the front with vanities and a bathroom, nice bedroom, and it has a laundry room, has an office, has a huge kitchen, it has all. Let me start from the beginning. This is the Sierra Fifth Wheel 3900. It has the high profile in the front. Guys, I cannot believe, I want you just to see this, how big the storage. Because people, they don't believe when I tell them this unit has amazing storage. And it has outside barbecue. So it comes with outside fridge, as you see is right here. So it has outside fridge for beer. It has a TV hookup right here, so I could set my TV and plug it in. It comes with outside sprayer. Come with outside barbecue grill with it. Come with it. It has the grill fitting. 2 power awning with LED light, as you see. So the 3900, it has also bigger door, 4-step to get in. Coming down over here, huge big panorama window, and you will see when we go inside. This is where your barbecue set. Here's the class 3 hitch receiver. You could put a bike rack, 500-pound tray. You have also a backup camera, ladder, Leopard components, 50-amp plug. By the way, this has a 3 ACs on this 3900. And it has the auto leveling system, as you see the jacks in the back and the front. Endless hot water heater. So it has the big hot water heater endless. And this is the controller for the auto leveling. This is the solar panel controller. It comes with a solar panel on the roof, and it has a controller. There's a place here in the front if you want to put generator, 5500 Onan LP generator. I could install in the front, no question asked. Lighting in the front. It's amazing. So this fifth wheel is perfect for somebody who want to live in it. Why? Because it comes with a washer dryer, come with a laundry room, come with a 2 bathroom, come with a guest bathroom, huge bathroom in the front, big bedroom, and unbelievable counter space. Let's go inside. Folks, I am inside the Sierra 3900 HP. It's amazing. Look how beautiful the J Lounge you have here. This is, by the way, it has a full height bed sofa here. Nice lounge, you could kick back, relax, and you have a 65-inch smart TV in front of you with a 60-inch fireplace. So as you see how beautiful this fireplace comes with the unit. You have a nice 2 doors, and I love what they did. They don't waste the space, so they give you a hidden pantry or hidden storage with a shelf. You can add more stuff on it, easy to get in, so it's not wasted, and it looks slick. Nobody could see, as you see. And it's very roomy. You have the nice, beautiful, big, look how big these panorama windows. And by the way, these panorama windows, you have 3 of them. 2 on the slide and 1 on the back. Look how big the windows. It's very roomy. I mean, you walk in this fifth wheel and you're gonna say, wow. Look how room. Nice, beautiful storage, so they don't waste that space. They give you full storage. And you have the J Lounge facing the TV and the fireplace. Huge counter space with bar stools, solid service counter top, farm sink, as you see. Big 3-burner range with the oven. Soft closing closets. Look how room the storage. 30-inch microwave, 3-burner range. Cooking pan trays. Self-closing doors. And they're deep. And then you have 3 to the left, 3 to the right. You can see all these sliding. And then we have a farm sink, very deep. And you have place for trash can. And then this is the net for your sink. Come with it. And we have a big 4-door refrigerator, 2 for fridge, 2 for the freezer. And we have a big pantry with a lot of storage and a lot of shelves, a lot of plugs. And going here, you have a desk. So if you work from your fifth wheel, you have the pop-up wireless charger here. And then you have doors, another doors. And look how beautiful the panoramic view when you live in this unit, when you open those 2 windows. It's unbelievable. Coming down over here, you're gonna walk and you think, oh, you're going to my bedroom. No, I have washer and dryer room. Look how beautiful this second bathroom. You have a sink, a medicine cabinet, you have a dryer built in, you have a washer built in, and then you have a door here if you want to put your soap or chemicals or sheets, towel hanger, porcelain toilet. And then going from here, nice entry handle. This is important. You have a beautiful king size bed with with windows open on both sides. Over there, 110 plug, USB plug in the corner. Place for iPhone, iPad, breathing machines, shelves. Another doors, 1, 2. I mean, look, 4. You have a lot of cabin, a lot of storage. I could put a second TV here in my bedroom. And this is what is still the unit. This room. 2 vanity. His and her. She have a cabinet for all her chemicals, all makeup, you name it, all self-closing. You have 1-piece shower. Look how roomy. Look at the skylight. Solid glass door, porcelain toilet. You have linen. And then, voila! Walk-in closets. Show me where you could find a walk-in closet and a fifth wheel. I'm standing and I could do full spin in this walk-in closet. And it's a finish shelf. 2 set of hanging on this side. So that's for the guy. And all this for the lady. This shelves, hanging clothes, folding clothes, shoes at the bottom. And here's your router for your internet. So come with the router, Wi-Fi. You just have to sign up with the service and that's it. So this is the 3900 HP. It's a nice fifth wheel where you have 3 AC, ceiling fan, auto leveling, 2 power awning, washer, dryer, huge closets, huge storage, big oven, big stove. Come with the office and a nice counter space and the J Lounge sofas. Come to Best RV. Do not go rent and buy a house. Buy the 3900 and go live in it. You can park it any place you want and still you're paying for yourself. You're not renting and you give the money to somebody else. It's for yourself. Come to Best RV, grab the 39. Perfect to put in anywhere, any piece of dirt or next to a house or in a farm, or just go take camping and take luxury with you. This is glamping. Come to Best RV and grab it because we have it at a price no one could match in the state of Korea.